Hi, this is Lauren Cotton with the Licata Group, Keller Williams Capital Properties. Today I'm going to give you a quick tour of 412 Birdie Road, located in Lake of the Woods, Virginia. This 1,900 square foot Rambler is 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, 2-car garage, and it also sits on the golf course. So as we're walking up, you can see the front porch. Front porch is plenty big enough for a few rockers. All right, we're gonna go inside. As soon as we're inside, we can see the beautiful flooring. It's all nice and open, so that's gonna be your dining room, open to the living room with the gas fireplace. It's hard to see, but those windows, through the windows, you can see right onto the golf course. We're gonna walk into your eat-in kitchen. And then right into the kitchen. So as you can see, the laundry room is right off the kitchen. Nice and big laundry room. I'm going to walk out onto the back deck. And hopefully you'll be able to get a glimpse of the golf course back behind you. So nice golf course lot. If you want, you can thin some of those trees, limb them up so you can have a better view, or you can let them fill in and keep it a little more private. All right, we're gonna walk back in. We're gonna head over to the master bedroom. This house offers a split bedroom floor plan. So you have your coat closet there, and then you're walking right into the master bedroom, which is a really big room. We're gonna walk into the master bath. Separate tub, shower, there's double vanities, and then there is a large walk-in closet right off of the bathroom. Just gonna come back around, you can see double vanities. We're gonna walk back out. So now you're looking at the dining room and living room again. We're gonna walk back through to the other side of the house. You can see there's a nice sized pantry here right off the kitchen. And then this is your 2 additional bedrooms. Bedrooms, closet. I'm going to turn back around and move you into this 3rd bedroom. Nice size closet there. And all 3 bedrooms do have a nice view of the golf course. Here is your hall bath. Tub and single vanity. This door is going out to the garage, and this door goes down to an unfinished basement. This full unfinished basement has been walled. You can see that. Electric has been run, and there is a bathroom rough-in down at the end. So all it needs is flooring, walls, and ceiling. The hard part's already been done. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of 412 Birdie Road, located in Lake of the Woods, Virginia. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.